All right, so here are papers from our utensil stencil background video that we did a little while back on this channel. And I'm laying them out. I've cut them 2.5 by 3.5 size of an ATC already on my paper cutter. I did a video on that as well. And here they are in front of us, ready to make into an ATC or an artist trading card. I want to show you how I do that. Looks like there's two there. Now some of these are watercolor paper and some of them are the drawing paper. If it was the drawing paper, I ended up just pulling out a pretty one. Ended up having to iron it because it was curling a little bit from all that wet spray. Now every single one of these are awesome. No, none of them are better than another. And I've got a whole huge stack, and I have another stack just like this, just from those papers that we did. I want to show you how easy it is now to do an artist trading card from these. I bought this small package of Tim Holtz paper dolls from Ideology, little mini people, okay? And I just took one whole pack, dumped it out. I'm going to randomly put them on these images and see what I like. Oh, there, it looks like he's sitting right there. I like that one. And it's going to randomly pull images. Oh, I like that. You don't have to do anything very special. They just always look good. Always look good. Love that one. And then I'm going to glue these on with a glue stick. These little children, put them here. Just a couple more. Just randomly pulling them. There's some little girl there. Baby. Got to wait, but if I flipped it. Okay, now on these different images I have, I'm going to put a saying. It's going to be from the Small Talk of Tim Holtz Ideology pack of quotes. You can be a little more selective when you select these, and just choose to shine. Like that one. Now you can put it anywhere you want. Maybe up here. I'm just picking random. Live, create, tell the story. Kind of like that one. And there's adhesive, so all you have to do is stick them right on. No gluing. Like this one. These girls look like they're having fun. A little big, so we can just snip it in half. Just like this. I'm just randomly putting sayings on, and I'll bring it down just so you can see closer. There's one. I'll just glue her on. Glue stick. these two on. Put a little saying there. Make it happen.